How to cancel Lycamobile Auto Renewal 2025. Auto renewals sound convenient until you're charged when you didn't expect it. And most Lycamobile users don't realize how easy it is to stop it if you know where to look. First, grab your phone and dial *190#. This connects you directly to Lycamobile customer services. Follow the voice prompts and choose the option for managing your plan. From there, you can disable auto renewal on your active bundle. If you prefer doing it online, open your browser and go to the Lycamobile website. Log into your account using your Lycamobile number and password. Once logged in, navigate to My Account, then Plans or Bundles. You'll see your active plan with an option to turn off auto renew. Toggle it off and confirm. Here's the part most people miss. You must cancel auto renew before your renewal date. If you wait until the day of renewal, the charge may already be processing. You can also cancel out text. Send the word stop to 1966. You'll receive a confirmation message if auto renew has been successfully disabled. The surprising truth about Lycamobile is that cancelling auto renew does not cancel your current plan. Your bundle remains active until it expires, so you don't lose what you've paid for. In 2025, keeping control of subscriptions is more important than ever. Now you know exactly how to cancel Lycamobile auto renewal quickly and safely. Subscribe for more money-saving mobile tips that most people never hear about.